Hey, it's Jetty here from Exponential Prosperity Code. It's February 2026. And honestly, my wallet is still recovering from January. I set all these big resolutions, save more, spend smarter, and boom, here we are, end of the month, and I'm staring at basically the same empty account. Sound familiar? If your money reset, already derailed, you're not alone. But today, I'm sharing my real 2026 money reset plan. The one that's actually starting to work for me. No fluff, just the fixes for my biggest financial mistakes. Stick around, because if Jetty can turn this around, so can you. First, let's be real about what went wrong. Mistake number one, impulse buys everywhere. I'd see a little treat, coffee, online flash sale, new gadget, and swipe without thinking. By mid-month, poof, money gone. Mistake two, no real emergency fund. Surprise bill hits. Credit card time. Hello, interest eating me alive. Mistake three, ignoring debt. I had some lingering credit card balances, but I just paid minimums. Felt easier, but it was quietly killing my progress. And the big one, for 2026, letting little treat culture win. Everyone's posting about it, but for me, those small spends added up to hundreds I could have saved. If any of this sounds like you, drop a comment with your top money regret. Let's commiserate and fix it together. All right, enough whining. Here's my actual reset plan for late February 2026. Simple, doable steps I'm using right now. Step one, audit my spending. No judgment, just facts. I pulled my last month's transactions into a simple spreadsheet or app like Mint. Categorized everything. Needs, wants, why did I buy this? Eye-opening. Tip, do this weekly now. Takes 10 minutes, stops leaks fast. Step two, rebuild my emergency fund first. Rates are still solid. Top high-yield savings accounts are offering up to around 4 to 5% APY right now. Like Varo at up to 5% or VO Bank around 4%. That's way better than a regular bank. I moved my starter cash there. Automatic transfers from every paycheck. Goal, 3 to 6 months of expenses eventually, but even $1,000 feels huge when emergencies hit. Step three, tackle one debt aggressively. I'm using the debt snowball. Smallest balance first for quick wins. Paid extra on my tiniest card this month. Gone. Momentum is everything. If debt's your thing, start small. Pick one and attack. Step four, smart spending rules. No more autopilot impulses. I set a 24-hour rule for anything over $20. Wait a day. Most urges fade. And I'm cutting back on those daily treats intentionally. Not zero joy, just mindful. Saved $150 already this month, redirecting to savings. Step five, automate the wins. Set up auto-invest small amounts into something simple like an index fund or even just more high-yield savings. Dollar cost averaging means I buy regardless of market dips. Perfect for 2026 with rates easing and markets mixed. Consistency beats perfection. 2 weeks into this reset, my bank account isn't crying anymore. It's actually smiling a little. Savings up $300, one debt chunk gone, and I feel in control. It's not overnight riches, but it's exponential when you stack these habits. There you have it. Jetty's 2026 money reset. Start with one step today. Audit your spending or move cash to a high-yield account. If this hit home, smash that like button, comment your biggest takeaway or mistake below. I read everyone. Subscribe and turn on notifications for my next update. Let's build that exponential prosperity together. Thanks for watching. You've got this. See you soon.